1. A. What is reverse brain drain? Answer. When talented people who went abroad come back to their own country to work, it is called reverse brain drain. B. Who made the word brain drawn? Why? Answer. The British Royal Society made this word because many British scientists went to America and Canada for better work in the 1950s and 1960s. C. How does brain drain harm a country? Answer. Brain drain takes away smart people, so the country loses new ideas, good jobs, and good healthcare. D. How do companies suffer when smart managers leave? Answer. Companies lose good workers. They face problems in hiring new people and spend more money training new staff. E. How does losing scientists and technologists hurt the country? Answer. They take away knowledge and skills. The country loses new inventions and respect in the world. What is the vicious circle? How to stop it? Answer. If there are no good jobs, people leave. But if people leave, there will be no new jobs. To stop it, countries must make good jobs and chances at home. To stop the vicious circle, countries should create good job, make business-friendly policies, build research centers and industries. G. Does brain drain happen only in poor countries? Why? Answer. No, it also happens in rich countries like New Zealand. But poor countries suffer more when smart people leave. H. How do people living abroad help their home country? Answer. They send money to family. This money helps the country's economy. I. What is another good side of emigration? Answer. They make the country famous abroad and attract foreign investment. J. How did Taiwan stop brain drain? Answer. Taiwan made good policies and built big tech parks to give people good jobs at home. Word meanings. A. Depleted, reduced. B. Turnover, people leaving jobs. C. Gravitate, move towards. D. Greener pasture, better place for job. E. Critical mass, enough people to succeed. A. Country of birth and home country are same. True. B. Companies help find cause and effect of brain drain. False. C. Talents abroad only work in startups. False. D. British Royal Society said brain drain is about doctors, nurses, scientists, technologists leaving. False. E. Companies face problems because they spend money to train people. True. F. Ghanaian immigrants show example by studying abroad. False. G. 40% of Indian citizens go to Silicon Valley. False. H. 1/4 of New Zealand graduates go abroad. True. I. Policymakers can do nothing to stop brain drain. False. J. Good jobs at home can stop people from leaving. True. Home, homeward. Adverb. He walked homeward in the evening. Opportunity, opportune. Adjective. It was an opportune moment to start the work. Vex, vexation. Noun. His rude words gave her vexation. Diaspora, diasporic. Adjective. The diasporic people love their motherland. Persistent, persist. Verb. He will persist till he wins. Antonyms of given word. A. Numerous, few. B. Departure, arrival. Circa, seemingly, actually. D. Encourage, discourage. E. Elite, ordinary. Title. Brain drain and how to stop it. Main idea. Brain drain means losing talented people to other countries. This harms the country's economy, jobs and health. But if countries make good jobs and policies, people will stay or return. Comment. We should create more good jobs and research centers in our country to stop brain drain. 7. Editorial feature. 2. The editor, The Daily Observer, Dhaka. Subject. Submission of a feature article on preventing and reversing brain drain. Dear Sir, I would like to submit the following feature for the post-editorial page of your esteemed daily. I hope you will kindly consider publishing it. Yours sincerely. Turning brain drain into brain gain. One of the biggest challenges for developing countries like Bangladesh is brain drain, the continuous migration of our best students, doctors, engineers, scientists and talented people to developed countries in search of better opportunities. While this offers them personal growth, it creates a big loss for our economy and national development. So how do we stop this drain and turn it into gain? 1. Create better job opportunities. First, the government and private sector must create high-quality jobs at home. Talented youth leave because they do not find jobs that match their skills. So we need modern industries, research centers, IT parks and startup hubs where skilled people can work and grow. 2. Invest in research and innovation. Many students go abroad because we lack advanced research facilities. Universities must get proper funding for research labs, scholarships and exchange programs. If our universities become world-class, students will choose to stay here. 3. Support entrepreneurs. Encouraging young people to start their own businesses is another way to keep talent here. Easy loans, tax benefits and a business-friendly environment will help them open companies, create jobs and drive innovation. 4. Improve working conditions. Many doctors, nurses and engineers leave because of poor working conditions and low salaries. Fair pay, respect for professionals and good facilities can keep them motivated to work at home. 5. Attract back-returnees. We must also attract those who have already gone abroad. Countries like Taiwan and India have made policies to bring back experts by giving them special incentives, grants and leadership roles in new industries. Bangladesh can do the same. 6. Build global networks. Our diaspora abroad is an asset. They can bring investments, knowledge and global connections if we build strong networks with them. Online platforms and regular conferences can help connect foreign experts with projects at home. 7. Raise awareness. Finally, our young generation must feel proud to build their country. Campaigns in schools and universities can inspire them to serve their homeland rather than only looking west. Conclusion. Brain drain cannot be stopped overnight, but with smart policies, investment and patriotism, we can turn this drain into a powerful brain gain. If we give our best people the right environment, they will choose to stay and help Bangladesh move forward.